So a week ago today, we got home from North Carolina, being there for 5 days, to a notice from the landlord that we have to move out within 30 days because she's posting the house for sale. So we're nowhere near ready to move down to North Carolina yet, but we are forced to pack up everything and figure something out. So we rushed and got an enclosed trailer so that the enclosed trailer could transport our stuff and store our stuff in North Carolina. And unfortunately, we are getting rid of everything. A lot of things, unfortunately. We did have a lot of storage, and over 14 years of living here and accumulating and storing stuff, all this, the barn, the garage, everything was full between bikes, quads, tools, parts. So on 4th of July, we started to load up the trailer. Well, Gary and Nathan started to load up the trailer. And this is why I married this pain in the butt, because no matter what is thrown at us, he always figures it out and gets it done. Hey, at least I didn't give you my other nickname for you.
Huh. I can just not do any of this, you know.
90% of this stuff is all yours.
So?
What'd you say?
That if you get off of there, I can close this door. Because trailer-wise, for a little bit, I think we're done. I gotta start going through all this stuff in here to see what's garbage, what's coming. Oh, come on. So close. Okay.
Couldn't fit right in here? Oh, no, your stupid motorcycle thing's there.
Whoa. Nothing about motorcycles is stupid.
Oh, you know what? Those little, you could leave it like right here and use those whatchamacallit ones you made me buy.
Yeah. I'm glad you're telling me how to do this.
Oh, Gare.
No, you see, if I use that spot now, then you just prove the point. So now, just on purpose, I cannot use that spot. Now it's just gonna go here. That's it. Stay you.
How much you want to bet by the time we're all done loading, it's going to end up in the spot I suggested?
And even if that is the case, it will not make it on camera.
Guess who does the editing?
You're right. You do that.
Yeah, I know my editing sucks.
You do. I just said you do. Look at that. It was like meant to be.
There's a hook thingy there.
Yeah, kind of too low though, but it's okay. Hey, babe.
Hey, there.
There should be one more of the orange ratchet for the tie down, no? Do you see anywhere or no?
Now I see the husky one.
Okay. That's that.
Where are you going to put the hope chest?
Now, again, what's going in the oak chest? Is anything gonna go in it or no?
No.
Well, we're gonna have to see how. all
heavy.
it is.
Oh, it's only,
So I can tie it out.
it's like here.
And then most likely just here.
It's not too heavy all on this side?
No, because
remember, that's solid.
the heaviest thing right now is this toolbox with all the tools in it. That one is nowhere near as heavy as this. So.
Alright. That ladder thingy that we got when I got the Jeep, does that come in? The foldy thing?
Yeah, eventually. But yeah, like I said, I guess for now, let's be done with the trailer for a little.
You said that
So I
before.
can go through all that.
Are the metal you keeping separate?
I mean, most of it, yeah.
So we're back at packing everything again today. We did a lot yesterday, loading up some scrap metal, just trying to sort through and go through things. Bigger. I know you said these are for concrete and stuff, but are these stuff you want to leave, or these little things I could throw to the metal? This Black & Decker belt sander, garbage, or are you keeping it?
Different does it make if I throw it out with this or this? Huh?
Mm-hmm. Well, I guess the only reason is if you want to keep the tool bag or not, clean it up.
Don't. To be honest with you. I really don't. Because this reminds me of a time when I had to work on my own. Because that was the only way my dad was willing to pay me more money. Nope, I'll drop you off at this job site. I'll go to that one. You can figure it out. I'll pay you what I'll make. Thanks. But I don't have tools. Not my problem. Go buy it.
So there went the extra money you made.
Huh?
So there went the extra money you made.
Yep, nope. Garbage. I don't give a shit. Everything is garbage. See? Now, for all the other YouTubers that call spackling effing mudding, first off, these are supposed to be your normal spackling tools, not that stupid ass tray that some people are using.
Now, is this metal or is this some sort of plastic shit?
Remember, Tommy bent that for me when we were making the English trailer. But then the English trailer got sold before I ever
got to it.
But yeah, we can probably make some decent shelves with that one for free. Not like this. That did.
At least it fell on the fake foot.
It's not the fake foot.
It looked like it fell on.
No, it fell on this one.
Say hello.
Baby, can I just go to sleep?
No, you ain't getting in my bed like that.
Well, no, I gotta shower first. I think I'm done.
It's Domino's for dinner tonight.
Oh, really?
Really? You have the choice of Domino's or Chinese?
Hell no, no Chinese. New Yorkers are gonna give me cat or dog. Not doing Chinese.
We're done for today. We're done for today.
What?
So we have one load of metal dumped down, probably at least one more to go. And the garage and barn are mostly cleared out, minus all the gazillion cans that we do have to bring to the can. Sorry, garbage man. So we're coming to the home stretch, final few days that we are able to be here. Gary and Nathan have been working all day, and my father was here helping loading up the trailer. And next time you see us, we will be arriving down in North Carolina to, hopefully, everything goes well, unpack and try to organize.
I do not know about the unpacking.
We'll do some unpacking. Well, him and Nathan will. I'm not quite sure. We'll have to see.
Because unfortunately, our game cameras down there sent me pictures that the structure we built for the excavator is completely ruined. So the unpacking might have to wait.
And we're kind of hoping and keeping our fingers crossed that the structure did not break the glass that's on the excavator, but we won't know until we get there. A lot of rushing, a lot of stress, but we were able to meet the deadline that we had, and we got everything down here to North Carolina safely, and everything is secured. Now try to organize and make room for more stuff in the barn, but everything is where it needs to be.